Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Tarek. Today I am talking about Microsoft Excel, which is most popular spreadsheet software in the world. As you can see in this screen, today we will calculate interest rate, payment and number of period in Microsoft Excel. So firstly we will calculate interest rate. So for this, the given info: present value 5,000, future value 8,000, ER 6, then we can easily calculate the interest rate. For this, firstly we insert equal, then rate and start the bracket. So we need to insert first number of year, that means number of period 6, then comma, payment is not here, present value 5,000, then future value we use minus before inserting the future value because it is cash outflow. Then type it end of the period, so we insert 0, then bracket close and enter. Here we can get our interest rate 8%. Then we calculate payment in Microsoft Excel. For this, the given info: present value 1,500, interest rate 7%, number of year 6. Then payment, we can easily calculate payment equal PMT, that is the formula of payment. Then start the first bracket. First need interest rate 7%, then number of year 6, then present value 1,500. Here we cannot need future value, so dot, and it is the end of the period, so we enter 0, then close the bracket and enter. Here we got our payment $314.769. And lastly we will calculate the number of period, that means NPER. For this, the given info: present value 5,000, future value 8,000, interest rate 9%. So we can now easily calculate our NPER, that means number of period. For this, enter equal, then NPER, that is the formula of number of period. Then start the first bracket, enter the rate 9%, then comma, payment not here, present value 5,000, then future value we entered minus. The reason I already said for using the minus, because it is the cash outflow. Then future value type 0 because it's end of the period, then close the bracket and enter. Number of period 5.453889, it is around 6 year. So that's all for today's tutorial. We will see our next tutorial. Thank you.